This video is being made to intend to show you how to assemble a CL150 assembly, also known as Hot Start part number 228100-000. You're going to start by unpackaging the seal and checking the seal faces to make sure there's no blemishes or debris on the faces. If debris is present, gently remove it. Now you're going to apply some P80 lubrication or equivalent to the seat elastomer. You'll then install the seat into the CL bracket, being careful not to scratch the seal face. Use the cardboard wedge or protector to put on the face of the seal before you gently tamp the seal down using a hammer and a tamp tool. After the seal is fully tamped down, turn the bracket over and verify the assembly is flush on the bottom of the bracket. Now, carefully install the bracket onto the motor, being careful not to hit the seal face as you install it. Tighten the 4 bolts to attach the bracket to the motor. Now we'll go ahead and install the half-dog Allen tool into the impeller sleeve with some Loctite 242 applied to the set screw. Any other set screws that may be in the sleeve should be removed at this time. Remove any excess 242 Loctite that may be on the impeller sleeve, and now, using P80 lubrication, lubricate the impeller sleeve with a significant amount of P80 lubricant or equivalent. Install the seal retainer and seal spring onto the impeller sleeve and lubricate the rotating piece of the seal in the elastomer area as shown. Install the rotating assembly seal piece onto the impeller sleeve carefully, but this does take a little force. Once you get it over the lip on the impeller, the seal should glide up and down the impeller shaft sleeve easily. Install the impeller sleeve onto the motor, ensuring that the half-dog set screw goes into the slot of the motor. As you press the impeller down, be sure to rotate the impeller to line up the set screw holes that were left blank earlier. You're now going to install the point set screws into those holes using 242 Loctite and a 5/32 Allen wrench tool. Don't tighten the set screws into the motor shaft at this point. That will be done later. Once the 2 point set screws have been installed into the impeller sleeve, you're now going to tighten the half-dog set screw into the motor shaft. Carefully install the O-ring, ensuring that you don't cut or slice the O-ring on the impeller. You will then add P80 lubrication to the O-ring, as shown in the video. Install the volute onto the pump bracket and install volute to bracket bolts and tighten as shown. Once the volute to bracket bolts are tight, take two 15 thousandths filler gauge tools and install them 180 degrees apart between the impeller vanes and the face of the volute. Now loosen the half-dog set screw so the impeller can slide forward against the filler gauge, and then retighten the half-dog set screw. You will now rotate the impeller volute and tighten the two set point set screws that were installed earlier. At Price Bump, we have a custom tool we designed to rotate the impeller to ensure no rubbing is present after assembly. Once this step is complete, the pump is ready for installation. A screwdriver, or removing the fan cover of the motor and spinning the fan, can be used to ensure there's no rubbing after installation of the volute.